Welcome back to Heavy Metal DIY. Just going to do an unboxing for you. Just bought this new tool, Sealey 12 volt 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 drive ratchet wrench kit with 2 batteries. So comes with a bag, the charger, the ratchet body itself, and 2 batteries. So let's get rid of the box, see what the ratchet looks like. So this was $91.99 altogether, and these are really good for using in tight spaces. So you got like a lock-in mechanism right there. So there you go. Turn that locking mechanism off and you can operate it. Plus it's got a battery indicator there, and switch it anti-clockwise or clockwise, tighten up or loosen. So plus I think it's got a light, yeah, it's got a bulb right in there. So let's get one of the batteries off. Out. So there you go, the light as well, and busy indicator. Oh, there's a battery indicator. Bit noisy, but I think it's yeah, it works up to 45 Newton meters, so not bad. So let's get a knife. It's a charger, so basic charger. Second battery, and a canvas bag to put your stuff in. So which ain't bad at all. Pretty heavy duty. So anyway, it was just a little vid for unboxing for one of my new tools. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and like, and leave any comments that you want, to anything you want to tell me, and see you in the next vid.